come to Parliament and haven't paid attention to even the orientation, you make the noise. But you see, no. First timers who didn't pay attention. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Minister responsible for communication.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
What you have to withdraw is if the questions are not taken, you wouldn't be able to come back and answer them.
Mr. Speaker, the very individuals who asked the questions, I said the questions have been invited to answer, for which I've sat in the chamber for 2.5 hours, are time bound. The individuals who have even filed the question are not in the chamber. And so I'm saying to you that, Mr. Speaker,
all you need to do is to wait when it gets to the time and we call the question. And the individuals are not here to ask the question. Then whoever is presiding at that material moment will give the necessary directions. That is what happened. But I'm not also comfortable of the statement that if the questions are not handled for today, you will not be able to come back and answer the questions. I believe that is what the minority leader is asking you to withdraw. So just do the honorable thing and let's make progress. This is not anything.
Mr. Speaker, I have the greatest respect for you.
Very well.
And the reason why I made that statement is because there are other obligations. And I worked with the table office to schedule today. And that's why I'm drawing the attention of the House. Because, Mr. Speaker, the minority leader will be the same person to stand up and say ministers are avoiding coming to the House. And that's why I'm making this statement, so that it is not said that when you reschedule and based on other prior commitments I'm unable to honor.
Honorable Minister for Communication,
so,
just
Mr.
take
Speaker,
a cue.
I take a cue from you and I'm guided. Thank you.
Honorable members, with all due respect, the statement by the Minister for Communication to the effect that if the questions are not answered, he will come back to the House to answer the questions, are accordingly ordered to be expunged from our record as if it does not exist. Yes.
Yes, and you, the case of Sam George, arrogant. He's not arrogant because of say he want to act like an arrogant. He is the rare definition of illiterate arrogant. Okambro fokwa adwenuswa. He woni amanfo na te parliament. Utumi sore won nan so ejina ka kire say those of you the newcomers are afraid of our parliament. They say Sam George trying to denigrate the new MPs about the Parliament of Ghana. Adentia. Or no atra parliament. So these guys are no people to talk to him. To the point to say, ono ankasa ni deputy speaker NDC ni etian no parliament. Asem na papa ne kan etian. Said the way ne Logan si papa pa omo achew. Say wode won sabenkum kire wa ankasa o colleagues. Disrespectful. Full arrogance. Lack of respect towards the next person. Kwasi ampanyi nso still on tiasie. Adentia but the parliament ache. Abusia say what na parliament cha. Normally no. It should be show at your constituency. But be free horo. Nkrofo no omoto abane de ma wa so abetra parliament. And na me no sunti no Sam George who believe to be superior than obi to say Gideon Boakye or Boakye. I think that MP from the Asante region, the special aide to Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. Who saw Sam George Boro Jimmy, you want to compare yourself to say Gideon Boakye na or Boakye, who has Gideon Boakye, who has been in parliament for only once, this time, and the 9th parliament, a 10th parliament. Sam George, upon all the years that you have been in the parliament, here the budget banner can won't tell us, I just say a factory to I want Nigeria Casam and Sawatias. Who to me transe, Esodijana Casasa. Abra, the people who are supposed to benefit from your long term being in parliament, your constituents, on common thing, the most basic need of a human being. Ensu ani pabenom o constituents ete ho esu so munya nsu nom na wo te parliament wani nwi enye wo fede so go parliament even for 8 years in na wakwa whom to me secure one of the most basic need of a human life ensu potable water whom to me secure mfama unkrofo. But you have the courage to stand in front of parliament and tell your colleagues a fain or more ba I been more constituency or more transform before they came to parliament to consider them with your left hand. Arrogant. Such an arrogant of Sam George. Such a fool, such a D-ball, such a kwasi to underestimate intelligent and noble men. I didn't hear when you go from Fobino or Moto Abama. Sam George, you go from for some more message the mouth here. Yes, I was saying, be I want to the Ecoso. The Ecoso, ewo ho nyina ne say Sam George constituency na omuna up to ne swaba manako parliament different times. Ode no tu ne ho no. Ni wure firi say him ame uruka ka be mo akwa papa. Ni wure firi say he was not even able to supply them with the potable water. And being in parliament and being arrogantly telling your colleague parliamentarians say uba parliament yache enti usu any usu be mad. What is the sense of it being in parliament for a long time if a common water solution in your constituency you have not been able to solve it? Oh Jimmy, hey, some kokoroku, some D-boro, Sam George. One would Jimmy tell me the sense in it to be in parliament for 50-40 years? Na ensure nipa da saniba nom no constituency ebi ni ho. What is the sense in it? What the wajuma swana? What are you doing then in parliament? There now in parliament. Nyansa sembe na wo Sam George wa propose that. Obaye Sam George. Ujimi the drone delivery system under the Minister of what them call the Minister of Communication technology you sat down and you allow your government to cancel that medical drone delivery system in the country. Jimmy, and also fast one say you promise the people of Ghana say when Mahama comes in power, he will not have any peace if he refused to sign the LGBTQ plus bill. Ekosi saying Sam George told Ghanaians say he's going to arrest all MPs, any ministers. Sam Obaye Ekosi saying. Oh Maria. Man with the uncontompo bebe benedi ayamo. ene parliament ye kwa amoma ye kwa amoma because you cannot answer questions. Mu Jimmy ni nkwasi akeka Ghana for tena so de koto abama mu nwan dodo ye pake mo edimu ko go parliament what they say sabio Moses ene ni nwan mugu parliament wa munnim hwe 187 MPs Jimmy ni nkwasi asemunti. The few people the minority side the mighty minority no, they are leading the parliament. And then Sam George Kasedo be Ofra Afenye Markinns majority leader. And this MPC Kasa they consider Afenye Markinns as the majority leader. Adentia because obviously he is the leader of the house or a minority, so he is leading. Because you say lack of knowledge makes my people perish. And to Sam George, to make things better and better. Say ube jai so be ko parliament ho. Now ko yo ho guy. Eko disrespect the newcomers, the new MPs no. Oko disrespect your mono. Tell us what you have done to your constituents after a long time. Parliament. And yes, idea Kawanotum na hobon. Kawahotum I because Napoleon Dian or semen country say we in Nigeria ni. Tell Ghanaians your biological father's name. Oluku Sanjo and a friend because in Nigeria ni. When Sam George were we and kwasia kekan and kwasia campaign and kwasia sema mokai. And then one can say mo constituents about Bontana. In so mo benom kro mo ni bi wo constituency. What the parliament there or some faso any say. Parliamentarian, we a lawmaker. You decide what the government should do. Motuwana ye eyezu eyebza we mizu we meza kwasia semon kwa enemone. Parliament kura ye choke amamo. Abusia I ras media GH. All like video na meso say like mame na comment mame. Fa unsa isi adoma no so. Say da be am ba life be obenya notification say ba. Na oni mi nyina abeche dwumadie no afa. Me pese muntie this debate e call so e wo parliament. How how Sam George was actually cooked by Yewura Afenye Markinns. Area na aja mabie phone lines na tum na obia so atumi afre akire na adwe. Yenkonko tie video no na sisia.
Majority.
Speaker, the sense of the House is that we constitute, we suspend sitting and constitute a committee of the whole, Mr. Speaker. Move into a committee of the whole so that we can consider the DACF formula. Sorry. No, let's do it. Sorry.
Yes, the application is to constitute the House into a committee of the whole. Any opposing view? Any opposing view? Honourable members, accordingly, the House is very well.
Honourable Speaker, I've been here to answer questions. The questions are time bound. If I don't answer the questions today, it would not be possible for me to answer the questions at any other time. So I'm letting the House know. I've been present, I've been in the House for a number of hours and I've not been called.
You have to relate to the leadership of the House.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Minority Leader. Honorable Minister for Communication, for certain issues, just liaise with the leadership. Yes, Minority Leader.
Honorable Mr. Speaker, the Honorable Minister of Communications a moment ago made a statement, which statement has got into the records of this House. I would want to plead with him to kindly withdraw those statements.
Yes, Minister for Communication.
No, Mr. Speaker, what statement is he referring to? He has to be specific on what statement he's referring to. The leader must be specific. I said a number of things.
Mr. Speaker, the minister must know that we accord him respect because he's our minister. He must accord leadership the same respect. Speaker, government business is called by the leadership of the House. So, Honorable Minister, please, you are a Minister of State. Please, kindly withdraw those statements you made earlier by way of objection to the application made by the majority chief. That is what I'm saying. That you should withdraw those statements because you rose on your feet to oppose the application with the explanation that you've been sitting here for 2.5 hours. So you should withdraw it. You should withdraw it. It is wrong. Hey.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I think that let us be clear. I did not just rise on my own. The Speaker of the House asked a specific question, and Honorable Minority Leader, Honorable Minority Leader, I'm a member of this House and I have maximum respect for leadership. So playing to the gallery with some of the comments you made are very unfortunate. But let's be clear, I did not rise to object to government business. The Speaker of the House, and sometimes when you're in the chair, you should pay attention to business in the House. The Speaker in the chair asked the question, anybody with an objection? So I didn't rise on my own. I rose in response to the question the Speaker asked. I caught his eye and he gave me the floor. So I didn't just rise on my own. So it's important that we set the record straight. It's going into the hands. There are people you play to the gallery with. We have our banter when we have to. But when it's on the record is the record. And so if you're asking me to withdraw what? Are you asking the Speaker to withdraw his question if there was anybody in opposition? The Speaker asked that question and I rose on it. And let us state for the fact that your people have asked questions. For those of you who have just come to Parliament and haven't paid attention to even the orientation, you make the noise. But you see, no. First timers who didn't pay attention. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Minister responsible for communication.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
What you have to withdraw is if the questions are not taken, you wouldn't be able to come back.
Abuja inform be phone last night to musu to me for now watch our dream our platform so higher Ras Media GH. Unlike I am say like Ponsesi Adomano so na be kan busia ko no. Ya be phone last night to suit me for now watch our dream on the issues and the bar platforms.
And answer them.
Mr. Speaker, the very individuals who asked the questions, I said the questions have been invited to answer, for which I've sat in the chamber for 2.5 hours, are time bound. The individuals who have even filed the question are not in the chamber. And so I'm saying to you that, Mr. Speaker,
all you need to do is to wait when it gets to the time and we call the question. And the individuals are not here to ask the question. Then whoever is presiding, at that material moment will give the necessary directions. That is what happened. But I'm not also comfortable of the statement that if the questions are not handled for today, you will not be able to come back and answer the questions. I believe that is what the minority leader is asking you to withdraw. So just do the honorable thing.